Quick math test, 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. What's the answer? Most people get this wrong, and I know exactly why. Here's what you probably did. You saw 8 divided by 4, that's 2. Then you thought, 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So your answer is 1. Or maybe you went the other way. 4 divided by 2 is 2, then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Both seem logical, but only one is correct. The rule is simple, but everyone forgets it. When you have division after division, you go left to right. No exceptions. 8 divided by 4 first gives you 2. Then 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. The answer is 1. People mess this up because they think they can do divisions in any order, like with multiplication. But division doesn't work that way. Left to right always. This tiny rule trips up millions of people. If you got it wrong, don't worry. Now you'll never forget. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more math traps that catch everyone off guard.